Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel, your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And I am providing my daily to-do list videos for SBI Clerk 2022. And you can join with me and make your timetable. And my suggestion is start your preparation from today onwards. And if you start from today onwards, you will definitely clear your prelims exam. And also, I am providing small tips and tricks and shortcuts for each subject. And if you have any doubts, join my Telegram group, your Bankers Mantra. And I will provide that link in description. And also for better understanding, I am providing subtitles also. So while playing my video, on CC option on the top right corner of my video. And let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. Daily in morning till 11 am schedule is same. So every day in morning before 9 am revise all basics of each subject like formulas, tables, squares and some brief notes of your weak areas. And also attempt English quizzes from Adda 247 website. And after that give 1 hour for watching editorial video from Adda 247 YouTube channel or from Murthy sir YouTube channel. So and on daily basis watch editorial video. And after that on daily basis attempt a prelims mock test from one of your source. And my suggestion is for prelims mock test, who are beginners they can purchase textbook test series, and who are already preparing they can purchase Oliveboard or Smartkida, and they are very helpful for our all prelims and mains exams. And also first attempt a free mock test from the test series and then choose which is best as per your convenience, and those are very helpful for all our prelims and mains exam. So choose the best as per your convenience and attempt a prelims mock test on daily basis. And all of you know most of the syllabus and topics are covered in each subject of English, Quant and Reasoning, and still we have some remaining topics. In Quant there are some arithmetic topics and Reasoning almost done. So we practicing different types of puzzles, and in English also small topics only. So tomorrow for Quant section of prelims level, practice PDFs or attempt quizzes for the topic of averages, and today we watched a video for the topic of averages. So tomorrow practice PDFs for that. And also for reasoning section of prelims level, watch a video from Byju's YouTube channel of part 2 of reasoning puzzles. So tomorrow watch that video for prelims level of reasoning section. And who are beginners in afternoon they give 1 hour for English section of prelims level. And for that tomorrow watch a video from Byju's YouTube channel of part 2 video of sentence improvement. So tomorrow watch that video for English section of prelims level. And also in afternoon who are beginners they attempt second prelims mock test of the day from one of your source. And my suggestion is who are beginners they can purchase textbook test series, and who are already preparing they can purchase Oliveboard or Smartkida. So choose the best as per your convenience. And who are preparing for mains, and this week I planned for practicing previous year papers. So tomorrow for our mains preparation, practice PDF of ABPS Clerk Mains 2017 PDF, and I will provide that PDF in my Telegram group. So tomorrow practice that PDF. And if you have any doubts about these PDFs quizzes, you can ask in my Telegram group, your Bankers Mantra, and I will provide that link in description. And in my Telegram group I will share every topics of video links, PDFs, quizzes, and also I will share screenshots of my attempted quizzes. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates and also for latest updates. And in evening give your time for reading current affairs. And last week we completed March 2nd week current affairs from the sources of Adda 247 or Study IQ or Affairs Cloud. And my suggestion is Affairs Cloud is the best to read current affairs. So tomorrow read March 3rd week current affairs at least 2 hours. And after that read a daily current affairs from one of your source on daily basis. And after that before going to sleep analyze the 2 prelims mock test of your weak areas where you are lacking, and note down all your weak areas on a paper and spend more time on your weak areas, and make timetable according to your weak areas. And that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. Be consistent and confident on your preparation. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you for being with me. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more daily updates and latest updates. And thank you.